Hello everyone and welcome to social science class. In this class we are going to be discussing a very important topic. So I request you have a notebook and a pen to copy down the important point from this presentation. So dear cadets, this is the last chapter of geography from the 6th standard. Our syllabus is going to over by this chapter. So I welcome you for the geography class. Let's proceed. Chapter number 8 is talking about climate, natural vegetation and wildlife. So vegetations are there. We are going to categorize them as a natural vegetation and we are going to talk about wildlife. In this particular topic, we are going to see about the 3 points. First, weather. What is weather we are going to see. After that, cold weather season, that means winter. Then hot weather season, that is summer. After that, rainy season and then autumn season. So I request you, please keep your notebook, and after that we are going to see about different changes in the climate, right? First point we are going to continue. You read in newspaper daily and watch on TV or hear other talking about weather. You must know that the weather is about day to day change in atmosphere. It includes change in the temperature, rainfall, sunshine. For example, such as it may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or cloudy. You must have noticed that it is not continuously for several days. You don't need warm clothes. Also like to eat or drink cold things. In contrast, there are the days together you feel cold without woolen clothes. When it is very windy and chilly, you would like to have some hot to eat. So children, here we are talking about climate, right? Climate is the average of all the weather conditions, right? Over around 30 years, right? Up to the 30 years, the climate is going to be same, right? So that's a climate. Climate is a big terminology and weather is a small. Weather is a hour to hour changing atmospheric condition. The atmospheric condition change. It may be in Bijapur it's raining, so in Gulbarga it's sunny. Or otherwise the distant places the weather condition is changing. So weather condition is different. So according to the climate, just we are now in winter season. After the winter season, the summer season will come. Summer season, the rainy season will come. So we are going to talk about when the atmospheric condition is hot, that is summer. When the atmospheric condition is cold, that's a winter season. Then we are going to discuss about the monsoon, right? Next. Broadly, the major seasons recognized in India are cold weather, hot weather, southwest monsoon and season of the retreating monsoon. When the monsoon is entering, that's advanced monsoon. Then it's going, that's a post monsoon, right? So here we are talking about winter season and the time duration is December to February, right? Now the hot weather season, we are talking about summer and its time duration according to the month March to May. After that, southwest monsoon, we are calling it as a rainy season, that's June to September, right? And this is the season of retreating monsoon, that's the autumn season from October and November. So November is going on. So which season? Retreating monsoon. You are observing or hearing in news in India, most of the few parts will be there and the southern part and the coastal areas are having the rainfall. Next, cold weather season. So what is cold weather season? When the atmospheric condition of the weather is cold, that's the winter season, right? So we are talking about that. During the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. As a result, the temperature are quite low in the northern part. Okay, that's the cold weather season. Next, hot weather season or a summer season. When the atmospheric condition of the weather is hot, that's known as summer. Then, in the hot weather season, the sun rays more or less directly fall in this region and temperature is very high. hot and dry winds, which are called as lu, blow during the day. Please make a note of it. The lu is a phenomena which is called as a hot and a dry wind, which mostly blows in northern part of India. Next, southwest monsoon season or rainy season. This season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon, as I stated you earlier. The wind blows from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry the moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountain, various rainfall occurs. So monsoon is only the responsible for rainy season in India. For rainfall. Next, season of retreating monsoon or autumn. The winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. This is the season of retreating monsoon. The south part of the India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. However, the climate is about the average weather condition, which have been measured over many years. As I stated you about that, what is climate? So climate is the average weather condition, right, which have been measured over many years. That means above 30 years. Next, the climate of India broadly being described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word which is called as Monsoon, which means season. So in Hindi, we are talking about climate means Mausam, right? Due to Mausam, right? The Arabic word Mausam, from that the monsoon word has been tried and taken. So आज का मौसम कैसा है? So उसके लिए we are talking about this thing. So ये मौसम जो है, the word is brought from there only, मौसम, which means season. So seasons are keeping on changing and changing. Already we have seen this all phenomena in the previous chapter of the geography. Due to India's location, the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by the monsoon. And it's very important because it's help in agriculture in India and depend on the rains. Good monsoon means adequate rain and a bountiful crop. Next, moving further, we are going to see about the next part of the climate. The climate of a place is different at the every area. So the location is very important. Altitude is very important. Distance from the sea is important, and relief features are very important. And they play a very important role in the changing of climate. Therefore, we experience the regional difference in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai, Kolkata experience a moderate climate. So by seeing this, you are understanding according to the place, the climate of India is changed. Next, the last very important point over here. They are neither too hot nor too cold because they are the coastal region. Being on the coast, these places are very humid. And this is the important name, Monsoon. Situated in Meghalaya, is received the highest rainfall in the world, which is called as the wettest place of the world. While in a particular year, it might not rain at all in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. So dear children, here we are winding up. So in this presentation, we have seen about the 4 seasons in India. We had seen about what is the word mean climate. What is the meaning of weather? So in the upcoming, we are going to see about the natural vegetation and why the forests are very important. So I request you, please read this one. If you still feel any doubt and difficulty, please ask to me. Next, from this part, let's have a fun. This you have to read. Okay? This you have to read and you have to do. Okay. Lastly, thank you to each and everyone for watching this video. Till then, be safe and secure at your home. Jai Hind.